You see, road trips are a great thing. You get to go see new places, experience new roads, and see things that you've never seen before. The only problem is, they never seem to go the way that you plan for them to go. So here's the story. The other day, I decided I want to get out of town. I put a new oil filter on my car. I lowered it a bit more since doing some work to the fenders, and I got on my way. Alrighty-o. What's up, everybody? I'm actually having a moment now where I realized that I forgot to bring my hat, which is critical to filming my video. But hey, all issues aside, we got full tank of gas, and we're on a road trip, baby. So let's see where it takes us. I am now going somewhere that will undoubtedly have what I need. That's right. Goodwill. Oh yeah, we found a winner here with a pink Cadillac hat. Most of y'all probably already know, but I just got some new tires and wheels for my car. I've lowered the car more, and I'm not quite used to the way that it sits quite yet. So today's gonna be an awesome day just to try to go and learn about the new setup and just enjoy these beautiful roads. We're inland cruising up near Lake Berryessa in the northern part of California, and wow, there are some grip on these tires. I went up 20 millimeters both front and rear from the stock setup, and you can really feel it. A lot of people say the turning gets sluggish, and I will say they're probably correct. The steering does feel a bit more sluggish, but the grip feels a lot more just on point. Like I feel like I'm a knife cutting through butter right now. It's really quite special. And oh goodness, I realized I forgot something. Something very important. The issue is I forgot to hook up my audio on the exhaust. Tell you what, I really didn't pick a bad spot to stop. It's kind of funny because at this point I have, well, I would have had 4 different streams of audio. Oh, that's pretty cool. Or 4 different streams of recording. I have 2 GoPros, 1 mic that's on me, and 1 mic that goes to the exhaust. 4 different areas. I forgot to turn 1 on. At this point, it's all just about figuring out how to properly manage all my tools. I can really tell with these new sticky tires that the limit has changed. I'm a lot less kind of confined by the lack of grip. Sometimes I feel like the car is kind of sliding away from me. Now it's more a matter of, okay, how much grip do these things actually have, and how can I make the most of them? Nice corners. Beautiful big left-hander on the straightaway. Oh, beautiful corner right here in this little crevasse. Nice. It's, yeah, fire came through this area not too long ago and absolutely scorched this whole eastern side of the hill, but the west side looks like it is doing just fine. Dang, that's crazy that we got a big rig that's about to hit those roads up there. Oh, he's about to have the time of his life. Wow, these new tires are something else. They are quite sticky. I'm not gonna let that get to my head though. I don't want to give myself too much overconfidence from them, but they are really nice. I know I probably shouldn't be shifting right there in that corner, but I didn't want to be revving so hard in seconds. I want to try to be nicest car on this early part of the road trip. Jeez, these tires are sticky. Oh, I'm blown away. They are the Federal 595 RSs, and holy cow, do they rip. Phenomenal, phenomenal. Oh, this is really fun. Nice. You see all those nice wildflowers out there on the right too. It's a good day for a drive and a great road to be driven. Wow. Oh, that's so fun. Wow, what more can you need in a day? I know I've got a lot more plans. I'm gonna be making my way all the way out to the coast. You're gonna see the redwoods come out. You're gonna see the coastal winds, the coastal views and everything like that. Right now we're still inland, but gosh, it's been such a good day. Already it's been such a good one. And there's a car in front of us now, so just kind of taking my time now. There it is. We are back in town. That was so sick. Those roads were so dang fun. Up and down, both sides, endless turns. That was phenomenal. Catch y'all at the pit stop. I'm gonna let this thing cool down. I decided to go ahead and take a break right here. We're gonna look up to find a park. Just didn't want to do it while I was driving through town, all that stuff, but check it out. I'm on this small little dirt road out in a vineyard. I am currently chilling in a park right here in the town of Napa, doing what I do best, which is making peanut butter jelly sandwiches. Now I know that a PB&J is not the most glorious of meals, but the truth is, it always gets the job done, and I can respect that. We've been a good amount over 100 miles, probably almost 150 by this point. Probably got another 30 to 50 this evening. Gonna go out to the coast, drive some more roads out there, and we're gonna try to find a campsite. I've never planned these things. I don't know how it's gonna go, but I'm sure we'll find one. So if you've got an eye for fitment, you'll see that the rear is a bit lower than the front of the car. Just by a couple millimeters, really. The truth is the front's getting a bit more of a rub. It needs the slightest bit of camber in order to fit. And the rear I adjusted this morning, and now with all of the weight of a fresh tank and all my gear in the back, it's sitting a tad bit lower. So we're almost here at the end of day one, which is pretty exciting. Coming up, look around for my campsite soon. There's only a couple spots here and I haven't really, oh, that's an issue. I haven't booked anything or even looked into the campsite, so just hoping that it's not too hard to get ourselves a spot. There's no real point in doing anything too fast or too wild right now, just kind of taking it in for what it is. Wow, I can't believe this weather. I wish y'all could feel it. It's probably about 75. Whoa, whoa, wow, those are bad bumps. Bad time for a weather forecast. That thing just sent me, they didn't even look too bad. They just, the way they hit right there was not as chill as it should have been. And it's pretty early, it's about 5 p.m. right now. And the reason as to why I kind of rushed out this campsite is because, like I said, it literally looks like there's just 2 spots and they're on a fire road. So I figured, hey, I gotta try to get a spot and make sure no one else does, otherwise I got nowhere to sleep tonight. Up on the left, we've made it to the Devil's Gulch. It is quite literally a one-way road up into here. Will we get camping? I'm sure we'll find out soon enough. Oh snap, are you all seeing this right now? The new wheels, the new height, the nature. I'm actually fired up. Let's get going. As you would guess, it's actually pretty hot right now. Moved up the car, and right now I'm gonna spend some time on the good old computer editing the videos. Just want to go ahead and call out Jackery right now. They're freaking awesome. I'm not sponsored by them at all, but this is how I keep powered during my trips. Welp, we've officially hit the part of the night where I'm done lollygagging. Time to get going, bringing everything out, setting up tents, and getting cooking. My sleeping setup is pretty basic. Little self-inflating pad and a decent down bag. And I forgot my pillow, of course. I forgot like everything that I actually need this trip. Tonight I'll be making fresh rolls. And don't rip into me when they don't look that good. I've only made them a few times. I'm not that good at making them, but they sounded good. And they're great for road trips because you don't have to actually cook anything. So I'm gonna give it a shot. Literally just got kicked out of my spot, man. Dang. I had like everything unpacked. I got kicked out. They reserved it, even though there was no posted note that said it was reserved. Apparently they did, and they came with like a route from Colorado, so I'm not gonna stiff arm them. I'll let them have their spot. I'll find another one. Just like that, we are on the road again, right when we thought it was time to settle down. Okay, we are on to campground number 2. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, I think I got lucky and found another spot close by. Gosh, that was outrageous. Everything is a wreck now. I just threw everything in. Rice paper. Yikes, okay, here's the final product. This is not quite my best performance. Honestly, they ain't fresh rolls. Those are like 2 days old rolls at this point. Yikes. Well, I'll tell you what, they ain't beautiful, but food is food, and I'm not picky. Today's just been absurd, I'll tell you that much. Going from the early lows of forgetting everything and having to recover to midday stoke and just riding such a high all the way up into the evening with a cool campsite, great roads and all that. And then huge roadblock, had to leave. Now, you know what? It's dinner time. I got a spot. It's not too bad. That's the good stuff. Honorable mention for high notes is this kick butt Cadillac hat. Today has been a long day. At 7 a.m., I was outside relocating the rear bumper tabs. Now I'm in the coastal redwoods right now. And I gotta be honest, I am very, very happy to be ending the day right now. Take a nice sleep. Thank you for tagging along. More to come tomorrow.